Welcome to Consortium Analytics. Have you ever wondered how companies make sense of all their data in one glance? Today, I'm going to explain to you how to build a data dashboard from scratch, so you can create one for your own projects or workplace. In this video, we'll go over planning, data sources, visualizations, and making your dashboard interactive, so let's dive in. So, first off, what exactly is a data dashboard? A data dashboard is like the cockpit of an airplane, but instead of flight data, it shows the most critical business metrics at a glance. They're essential for tracking performance and helping teams make informed decisions quickly. There are different types of dashboards: operational, analytical, and strategic. An operational dashboard, for instance, might monitor daily sales or customer support calls in real time. Analytical dashboards dive deeper, showing trends or customer behavior over time, and strategic dashboards focus on high-level metrics like revenue, sales growth, or customer retention. The first step to building a dashboard is planning. Start by defining its purpose. Are you creating this dashboard to track sales, monitor website traffic, or analyze customer satisfaction? Defining this will make sure your dashboard meets a specific need. Next, identify the key metrics or KPIs you want to track. For example, in a sales dashboard, you might want to include metrics like monthly sales, conversion rate, and customer retention. Remember, these metrics should align with your overall goal. Once you know what to track, it's time to gather your data. Dashboards pull data from various sources, such as Excel files, Google Sheets, SQL databases, or APIs. Choose the source that has the most reliable data. In most dashboard tools, you can connect directly to these sources. Make sure your data is clean, remove any duplicates, handle missing values, and ensure it's organized properly. Now, let's get building. First, you'll need a visualization tool. Some popular options include Google Data Studio, which is free, Tableau, which is powerful and commonly used in business, and Power BI, which is great for Microsoft users. Start adding visualizations for each of your key metrics. Take some time to customize your visuals. Add colors, titles, and labels, and make sure everything is readable. One of the most powerful features you can add is filters. Filters let users explore the data further, like viewing it by date, location, or category. Drill downs are another great feature. They allow users to click on a metric for more detailed information, like zooming from yearly sales into quarterly or monthly sales. Before you share, test your dashboard to make sure it's intuitive, loads quickly, and is accurate. Ask yourself, does each element make sense? Can I find the information I need easily? When you're ready to share, most tools let you do this by creating a public link, or you can export the dashboard as a PDF or Excel file. Be mindful of privacy settings and set permissions if needed so that only the intended users can access it. Here are a few best practices to keep in mind. First, keep your dashboard simple and don't clutter it with unnecessary elements. Each visualization should have a clear purpose. Make sure all metrics are consistent and up to date. There's nothing worse than basing decisions on outdated data. Lastly, gather feedback from users. Sometimes you might miss something, and feedback will help you make improvements. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on data visualization and analytics.